again, welcome all of you in Maths online class. Students, in this video, I will be re-explaining the exercise 4A, which is a rational number. Means this is a revision first of a rational number. So in this video, I will re-explain what is the rational number and how to find the positive denominator of any rational number, and how we can add the rational number, how we can subtract, how we can multiply, how we can divide, how we can insert the rational number between the two rational numbers. So these are a topic of this chapter. So I will explain these topics again, re-explain. So listen carefully. First is the rational numbers. So but before the rational number, I understand, I hope you understood and understand what is a rational number and what is a whole number and what is a integer. So you know very well what is a natural number. Counting number is known as a natural number, means 1, 2 and so on. These are a natural number, and natural number always be denoted capital N. And then whole number, so when we include the 0 in the set of natural number, so that number is known as a whole number. Understood? Natural number, which number we can count up to infinite, and what is the integer? And whole number always be denoted the capital W. And what is the integer? When numbers have a, means all the three types number, 0, -1, -2, +1, +2. So these are the integer. Why? When we have all the positive, all negative together with 0, numbers known as an integer. So this is a natural, this is a whole number, this is integer. Integer always be denoted by capital I or capital Z. Now rational number. So what is the rational number? And rational number always be denoted the RQ. So rational number. So what is the number? When we write any number in the form of P upon Q, in the form of P upon Q, when or if a number we can write in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equals to 0. Q is not equals to 0. It means there Q is not equals to 0. So that number is known as a rational number. अगर किसी भी number को आप P upon Q form, means if a number we can write in the form of fraction, so that number is known as a rational number where Q is not equals to 0. Means denominator. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. So denominator not should be 0. Denominator not should be 0. नहीं होना चाहिए. This is a condition of the rational number. Numerator and denominator means अगर किसी भी नंबर को आप न्यूमेटर या डिनोमिनेटर के फॉर्म में राइट कर लो तो वो नंबर होता है क्या? rational number. We can write, look here, like as 1, -1. So this is rational number. Yes, all the integers are rational number. All the whole numbers are rational number. All the natural number will be rational number. All the fraction will be rational number. Look here, -1. If is, you can write the -1 in the form of P upon Q, means in this form, fraction form. Yes, we can write. How? Look here. -1 upon 1, and you know very well all the integer, all the whole number, all the natural number always we can write with one denominator. हम किसी भी रेशनल नंबर को, किसी भी होल नंबर को, किसी भी इंटीजर को उस हमेशा वन डिनोमिनेटर के साथ राइट कर सकते हैं. ये आप जानते हो, ये रूल होता है. So -1 upon 1. So this is the rational number, and also here not Q is equal to 0. Understood? And then 1. So this is the whole number. Or you can take the 2 whole number. Rational number you can say. So this is a rational number. Yes, this is the rational number because this number we can write in the form of P upon Q. Means आप 2 upon 1 के फॉर्म में राइट कर सकते हो. So this is the rational number because here is not Q is not equals to 0. So this is the rational number. Another 0. If the question is asking 0 is a rational number, yes, 0 is the rational number because we can write 0 upon 1. So this is a rational number because we can write the 0 in the form of P upon Q. So this is a condition of the rational number. If any number you can write in the form of P upon Q, so that number is known as a rational number where Q is not equals to 0. So 0 is the what? 0 is the rational number because we can write 0 in the form of P upon Q. So these are about the rational number, means natural number, all the counting number from 1 and whole number 0 to infinite, and the integer, all the positive, all negative together with 0, but 0 is a neither positive nor negative, keep in mind. And the rational number, which number we can write in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equals to 0, so that number is known as the rational number. So students, this was all about for the rational number. Now next, how we can write? So this is a rational number, and one thing is left, fraction. Fraction is a rational number. Yes, 7 upon 3 is the rational number. 7 upon 3 is a rational number. Yes, 7 upon 3 is the rational number. But one thing, one condition is here, one rule is here. Natural number is a rational number, but rational number नहीं हो सकता. कि देखो हर नेचुरल नंबर हो सकता है, लेकिन कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि हर रेशनल नंबर क्या हो, रेशनल नंबर. लाइक एज 7 रेशनल नंबर, तो 7 upon 1, so 7 upon 1 is the rational number, but this is not a natural number. Same as 8 upon 1, this is a whole number, so 8 upon 1 is a rational number, but 8 upon 1 is not a whole number. So same as integer, minus 9, this is the integer, so we can write in the minus 9 upon 1. So this is the rational number, but this is not a integer. ये integer नहीं हो सकता. Same as in a fraction, 10 upon 5. So this is the rational number, 10 upon 5. But if the question is written like as 10 upon minus 5, so this is a not fraction, because this is a fraction rule. Fraction denominator. No, fraction denominator always only we can write in a fraction, we can always write in a positive form, means this is a fraction, this is not a fraction, this is a rational number, this is a rational number. So next, how we can write any rational number with the positive denominator. Suppose that he has given, and what is given here, 9 upon minus 7. Then question is saying write with the positive denominator. So how we can write this number in positive denominator? So we have a method, what? Multiplying by minus 1 with numerator and denominator both. Means when we multiply by minus 1, then we can change the negative denominator in positive denominator. Means आप इसको -1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो आप चेंज कर सकते हो नेगेटिव डिनोमिनेटर को पॉजिटिव डिनोमिनेटर में. कैसे? माइनस प्लस माइनस, दिस इज 9, एंड माइनस माइनस प्लस, दिस इज प्लस 7. सो आंसर विल बी माइनस 9 upon 7. So these are a positive denominator. This rational number with the positive denominator. And one condition here, listen, if rational number condition, अगर उसका आंसर नेगेटिव फॉर्म में मिला तो आपको उसको पॉजिटिव फॉर्म में राइट करना होगा. एंड आई थिंक everyone understand how we can write any rational number into the with the positive denominator, because I have explained many times in my previous video. Understood? So this is a method of how we can write any positive negative number, any negative denominator in a positive denominator. So like as another example he has given, suppose that he has given minus 8 upon minus 9. So this, and question is saying write with the positive denominator. So simply when we multiply by minus 1 in both numerator and denominator, then we get the in positive denominator, and this is a plus, this is also plus, and the answer will be 8 upon 9. 8 upon 9. Okay, understood? So this was all about for the today in the first revision. So in the first revision I have revised what? Natural number, whole number, integer, and the rational number. What is the rational number? If any number you can write in the form of P upon Q, so that number is known as rational number. So students, so today's your homework. You revise and you solve the all example of the rational number. Solve the all example of rational number chapter 4 means you solve all example of the rational number chapter 4. So this is your homework. Thank you and take care.